Okay, nandito tayo sa pinakamagagaling na aktor at aktres ng henerasyon ngayon. Totoo yan, di ba? Mga best actor, best actress, hindi nawawala. And balita ko, catalyst sila sa storya na pinakainaabangan. Isa sa pinakainaabangan sa Metro Manila Film Festival ng Uninvited, Elijah Gabby.
Hello!
Parang ang galing naman ng mentor, pinagsama kayong dalawa.
Finally, first time ko maka-work against si Gabby after Kalel 15.
Oh my
It's been a
God.
long time.
It's been a long time.
But pahirap ng pahirap yung mga project nyo kasi Kalel 15 is really such a deep film, and this one talagang sasaktan nyo raw kami at tatakutin ba?
Takutin. I think kung matatakot man, it's the horrors of reality.
Yes.
Maybe that's it.
Nothing paranormal, but may psychological thriller aspect siya.
How do you feel na yun nga sabi mo, no, it's an inspired history, right? And my gosh, you relived it kasi na-film nyo na to.
Yeah. Well, we don't want to spoil too much, but it definitely is very intense. Ibang Elijah Canlas po yung mga
Ibang
nakita
Gabby
niyo.
Padilla ang makikita niyo dito.
Ano yung hugot nyo when it comes to these heavy roles?
Well, ako personally, I'm very lucky to share the scene with like really great actors and who make it so easy to kind of just live in that space, in that moment. So, hindi kailangan mag-self-source, parang just kind of
Honestly,
helping each other out.
hindi naman mahirap when you're working with, like Gabby said, actors like her, actors like VSR and Miss Lotlot,
Ay, grabe.
Ketchup, and I mean the cast in this movie is
Yeah,
kind of
Aga.
unreal.
It's
Medyo
unreal.
And it's an honor to just be a part of it. And when you're working with a director like Dan Villegas and the whole team, like everything is just easier.
Wait lang, paano nagbibigayan ng dalawang best actor sa eksena? Pag gano'n? Kasi di ba usually nung unang panahon, 80s sapawan daw di ba? Kayo ba, paano ba, ano yung energy, yung flow ninyo?
Ito sa pawan.
No, walang ganun. Walang ganun.
Wala. It's very collaborative. I think that's the tone that Direk Dan sets. He's a very collaborative director, so I think that follows suit. Kahit with Ate V, she's such a generous actor, and so yeah, it really feels like we're all working together to build the scene.
Oh my gosh, walang pahinga sa Pasko.
Walang pahinga, but you know, it's a blessing and we're excited to share this film and mapanood din yung iba pang entries ng MMFF, but mainly to promote and share Uninvited to the rest of the country.
Actually, it's so nice because in the cusp of, a changing industry, I know you guys are both so serious with your acting careers. And parang nagiging catalyst din kayo, no, for that direction, for the industry. How do you choose your projects right now, di ba? How did it become sa Cinema Live? How did your last project open up doors?
I just really wanted to work with Direk Dan again. Every time there's an opportunity to do so, whether he's a producer, or DOP, or director, it's always a yes. So when this opportunity arose and when I saw the cast na I could act alongside, sobrang automatic yes.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, yeah, siniseryoso namin the whole thing, but sina Direk Dan, ever since I got to work with them for Suntok sa Buwan back then, gusto ko sila makatrabaho ulit. And syempre, fans din ako ng mga gawa nila, kaya it's an honor na napasama dito sa cast na to and sa pelikula na to. Pero other than that, wala lang, we're just enjoying what we're doing.
Speaking of that, yun nga, reunion yun ni Aga.
Oo nga,
Pero under evil circumstances.
hindi ko ma-share kung ano yung bakit ako na-frustrate ngayon when you just said that. Pero of course, I'm excited to be with Kuya Aga sa mga promo and stuff.
Oh my gosh. Pero yun nga, di ba? Para exactly, alala ko nga, yun yung Suntok sa Buwan, doon kayo nagsama, familiar actors, of course, with the team. And I think that's something important when you make a great project.
It is. And yun nga, like we keep on saying na pag nasa kamay ka talaga ng Project 8 and ng Mentor and this whole cast nga, parang given na it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
And honestly, we haven't seen the whole film, but we've seen parts of it. Pero ako like, grabe na yung tiwala ko and grabe na yung excitement ko na makita yung final product, and I'm sure it's gonna be great.
Oh my gosh.
Super ramdam mo yung alaga from every part of the team talaga.
What's gonna be next for you? Magti-TV ka na rin ba?
I'm open to anything, but right now I'm doing a show called Tiny Beautiful Things with Ate Isa Calzado.
Yeah.
So we're running until December 8th, so hopefully
Oh my
you guys can catch
gosh.
it.
Sinama pa. Charot.
I can't wait to watch that, by the way. Can't wait to watch your play. Ako din, kaka-close ko lang din ng play
Kaka-close lang din ng
recently.
play.
Naka-comeback ako sa theater for a while and very fulfilled artistically. But other than that, I have films on the way coming.
ang
and
dami
stuff.
nga.
And music, release ko yung EP ko this January.
Wow, finally.
Yeah,
I love
finally.
it. How many tracks?
6 tracks.
6 tracks. Wow. What's your favorite?
this song called the Joseph King. Yun.
Bakit?
Wala
Rap
lang.
yun, di ba?
Yes, rap siya. It's based on one of my favorite books kasi kaya wala lang, masaya lang ako na gawa ko siyang kanta.
I love it. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Thank you!
Hindi ko tinanong si Elijah.
Grabe talaga to.
Ito yun eh, dito na tag. Kaya na siya, hindi ko tinanong. Charot.
Anong gagawin natin inside pa?
Wala, ganito rin.
Ganito rin.